Mr. Good, you need to remove that do-rag.
It's not a do-rag, sir. I'm currently at work. This is my work uniform. I'll be happy to show you my work shirt on right now.
I saw your work shirt.
This is a part of my work uniform, sir. It's not a do-rag.
Well, what prevents you from taking that off your head?
Because it's attached. I mean, I'll be happy to take off the whole shirt. It's attached to the shirt.
No, I'm saying, what prevents you from taking just pulling the
Oh,
top off
okay. Oh, I'll take the top off. I thought you want the whole part of the shirt. Okay, yeah, like
No.
attached to the shirt. Okay.
All right, let's see what you have. Who got that state attorney in here last time? Did you get a valid driver's license, sir?
Sir, my appointment for Secretary of State is on March 4th. I paid all my tickets for Hazel Park and Detroit. My appointment is at 2:30 on March 4th. To take the picture and to get my license and stuff. And I have my confirmation if you need confirmation for my appointment, Secretary of State.
No, I'm trusting that you're giving the court good information. I'm not gonna go through all that.
But yep, so I was told that when I arrived at Secretary of State, just pay my my reinstatement fee and take my picture and I'm good to go.
All right, so you said March the 4th?
Yes, sir, that's when my appointment is.
Let's call this case, huh?
That date. I think I gave a later date.
I have a 2 week, we can get them in here March the 10th.
Okay.
That'll be enough time, won't it? Can we get another calendar? How do we get another calendar?
When I went to the procurement, they said you need to talk about some adding, get one, smaller one you can call them.
What happened?
I want one of those Detroit Legal News calendars, a couple of
That's what let's gotta go through.
What gotta go through?
them. Administration, you said.
Yeah, that's what they told me.
Like the 5th floor?
So I guess that's what I told them going down.
Okay, I'm gonna call them and find out.
Okay, let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Jason Daniel Good, case number SP 119926, counts 1, 2, and 3. And then SP 1209825, counts 1 and counts 3. Mr. Good, you said your appointment at March 3rd with the
March
Secretary.
4th was Secretary of State on 7 Mile, Illinois.
Yeah, all right. And you're set to get a valid license. It appears you don't own anything here, at least as of yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a new date.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry I didn't hear that first part. It doesn't look like I have anything here. Yeah, I paid all my.
Owe anything here?
Okay, yes, I paid all of them. That's why I'm just waiting for my appointment to take the picture now.
Well, you still got some pending cases, but we'll deal with that once you come back with a driver's license and some insurance. March the 10th.
Last time we spoke, sir, I informed you I don't have a car. So you said just bring up the license.
Okay. All right. Let me write that. All right. What about March 10th? Is that good?
Yes, sir. Like, I just gotta take Secretary of State on the 4th, and I'll be good to go.
All right. I'll see you March the 10th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m.
Okay, and will I use the same meeting ID code to get in?
All the same stuff.
Okay, March 10th, 8:30, correct?
Correct.
All right, thank you.
All right. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Who's on that iPhone?
Sorry?
No, go ahead. You're good to go, Mr. Good. Who's on the iPhone there?
I'm on one.
What's your name, sir?
My first name is Dion. My last name is Lambert Counts.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Lambert Counts. Lambert dash.
Yes.
None of these have walked. Yeah, I know what's going on. Is Mr. Lewis, is he gonna be in person?
All right, give us a minute. Let's let the city attorney come on back. I mean, the defense attorney come on back in here.
No, Mr. Turner. Yeah, oh, I was on, this is a court report from Judge Perkins. Is it possible to get something more counties to determine you need with one for the bench? I don't know, if they have some type of county to the bench. So actually, two.
Three.
Three? I'm trying to- I'm listening to Judge. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I can do it right now. Thank you so much. Okay, bye. I'm gonna go grab it. Yeah. Oh, should I leave you with the file? I gotta go get them file. Yeah, he's no longer with us. So I was just like, let me just go. Yeah, it shouldn't be that much. I shouldn't be long there.
That's all right.
Your Honor, we're ready.
Okay, we're back on the record, but, Mr. O'Rourke, Mr. O'Rourke, I've given you an opportunity to speak with, the defense counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what does your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to ask that his matter be set for a bench trial. Is that correct, Mr. O'Rourke?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give the client a trial date of April 11, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right,
Thank you.
if it's nothing further, I'll see you back April 11, 2022 at 9 a.m. Mr. O'Rourke, have a great day.
Thank you. You as well, sir.
All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Dion Ramon Lambert Counts. Case number SP 11-98598, counts 1 and 2. SP 121-7096, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradford on behalf of Mr. Lambert Count. State your name for the record, please.
Dion Lambert Counts.
All right, I don't have a file, I don't have an offer here in the file either. I called the city attorneys, tried to get them down here to get an offer. I can, we can wait on an offer, which, we can, or give you a trial date, sir. And then, or I can let you speak with, Bradfield in the breakout room, but I don't know what's really gonna be had from that. You don't have an offer to discuss.
We can wait for an offer, Your Honor.
You want to wait on the offer? All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
We pass the matter. As soon as the city attorney comes in, I'll give him, the file is up there waiting on them to, you want to tear that one out?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's do it. You're welcome. If they have more left over, I can call next week to see, but this is for your change.
Okay, thank you so much.
Two good ones, I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be beneficial or not. No.
The docket for
Absolutely.
Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
I know, right? I hate to, I'll be like, well, maybe I should clean the bench or something, but I don't want to disorganize the system.
I'm just organized.
Just let me know.
You're fine.
Okay. This will help me remember the dates too, the ones you give me. I can put them somewhere.
All right. Officer Lord.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Think you're set to come at 9 o'clock. So you're a little bit early. Nobody showed up yet, so we'll give them an opportunity to show up.
No problem.
Who's on the acting judge?
That is Lambert County.
Oh, okay.
We're waiting on city attorney for that.
Half the police department will be in for that client, won't they?
Yeah, it seems like it, doesn't it? It's a lot of tickets. If she shows up, They'll cut out half the day too, it seems like.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see about the envelope.
He never got back with me. I guess I can remind him. He basically told me the first time that they don't do it, so.
I'll ask them.
Like this, fill out, and then they'll fill out the rest of it. Maybe they'll email it back to me. I can just see it.
So
All right. Is there a good Francis iPhone?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's your name, sir?
Officer Beauregard.
Officer,
Yes, Beauregard.
okay. I have you checked in. I have Officer Lord checked in. And yeah, I know that officer.
Good morning.
Good morning. Who do you have, officer?
Let's see here. Last name is Gary, first initial C.
Oh, Kiramita.
Yeah, Karamita. Is that a 2012 ticket?
Yes, it is.
How you doing, Officer Nelson? All right,
Out and yourself?
very well. Thank you. Is Shabazz in here?
No, not yet, but I know.
He's gonna show up.
Officer saying.
Officer Sands,
Sandwich or?
Yes, I'm here.
good morning. Who do you have?
Jordan Lewis.
Jordan Lewis. I don't have him on the docket today.
I'm not sure. I was subpoenaed.
Are you sure the date is right? Lewis, Jordan, Jordan.
Yep. Let me make sure the subpoena is for today.
Today, let's see, 9 o'clock, but who is it?
False ID.
Yes.
That's tomorrow, actually.
That's tomorrow. Okay. Sorry about that.
You heard
That's
your.
not-
Don't turn the TV on.
Okay, good morning, Ms. Neets.
Good morning.
Are you Tierra Lewis?
Yes,
All right, good morning to you.
good morning.
Still waiting on, I'm still waiting on an offer for Mr. Lambert County, so they haven't showed up yet. This Meeks, your officer or Lewis, are you Lewis or Meeks?
I was Lewis. I'm Meeks now.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Your officer has not showed up yet. So we'll give him till 9:30. We'll give him a half-hour grace period.
Okay.
So sit tight, please. Sergeant Huber. Sergeant Huber,
Good morning.
good morning. How are you? Who's your defendant?
C. Gary. Not sure what the first name is.
Add on to the list. All right, she hasn't showed up, so we're gonna give her a little bit of time to show up. All right?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Your Honor, what are the ticket numbers that Sergeant Huber is on? Because that's not showing up on the docket.
No, it's not. So you can, I think she can help you and let you know. Sergeant Huber, what are your ticket numbers?
I do not have them right now. I do have it for driver license suspended though. I know that.
You got some money.
If I'm not mistaken, it was a 2017 case.
Oh, this one right here. I guess it's underneath more, George Moore.
2017.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably, no ops.
George Moore, the one that doesn't have an officer, you think that's the one? 217, 7141.
Yeah, I think so. I don't have very many tickets in this file either, Ms. Bradfield. All I have is two actual tickets. They were had on the same date. And they were written by Officer Shabazz. No, that's Lewis. Let's get Gary's file out. Well, she hasn't showed up. They did. That's Officer Epperson. Good morning to you. I have you checked in and we're waiting. We're gonna give Gardner and them probably until 10 o'clock to show up. All right.
All right, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Talking about, Mr. Young, is that, you're not, are you young? You have to unmute yourself. Oh, no, you got it. You're unmuted. You can't hear me, sir? All right, you may have to check your device and see what's going on because I can't hear you, but you are unmuted. Okay, we got two city attorneys in here now.
Yes, full force.
Let's go. All right, I have one startup for Mr. Lambert Counts, who's an author.
Okay.
And then I have this is Tierra Lewis and now Tierra Meeks. She's waiting, we're waiting on, there's Officer Shabazz, so he's here now. All right, so we can, those two are ready.
And Lewis is set for trial today.
Tierra Lewis is set for trial today.
Okay.
Good morning, Officer Shabazz. Now, the gentleman young there, I don't know how I can help you on your device. Maybe you need to kind of push the volume button up or something. I don't know. Good morning to you.
Morning. Have you met our newest coworker, Crystal Chow? She started last week.
Yes, one time you came in here and we met last week.
Oh, good. What's on today?
I don't know what to tell you, sir. You seem to be good on this end. You're not muted or anything. I don't know if it's something wrong with your microphone or something or other. Maybe you can find somebody in there that's a little bit tech savvy to help you out. Got some help there.
SOS, okay.
Got any more help?
Yes, we do.
I don't think you're gonna get any, do you?
No, no, we have Crystal, we're happy to have her, but yeah, we definitely need more people. I'm doing 3 courtrooms today, so it's busy. It is ridiculous. And I know you guys are waiting for us and.
Some help on the start.
I don't mind.
No,
I
I
feel
know.
like my boss might not like your help, but. Thank you.
Like, there you go. Did you get it straightened out, Misty? Is that, I'm just gonna say young. No, you haven't gotten it straight. We can't, you can hear me, but I can't hear you. So it's something going on with your device. And it's not, okay, now let's see. Say something now. No, I saw the mic just jump.
Oh, yeah. How about?
There we go. There we go.
Okay.
What's your
I'm
name,
sorry,
sir?
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. My name is Ronald Gibson. I'm actually,
Okay, Ronald Gibson, good morning to you.
good morning.
All right, we do have an offer here. Needs to collect documentation. What kind of documentation were you looking to get?
Yes, Your Honor. They were looking for proof of insurance, and I do have that.
You do have proof of insurance?
Well, I have it paid as far as with Bristol West. It's paid.
So you have current insurance now, is that what you're saying?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a driver's license, sir?
Yes, I do, and it's with me right here.
Okay, who's got? Whenever you're,
Yes,
Ms.
sir.
Rhonda, whenever you're ready. He's got proof of insurance. He, according to him, he has a driver's license. Why don't we run this through?
Oh,
I'm gonna get it from the authorities, sir. I'm gonna run that driver's license, from Secretary of State, and we'll make sure.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor.
I did have a question on Kara Lewis. I see Dante's previous offer. You know, she took a driving improvement course.
Lewis, did you take, the driving course, Miss Lewis?
Did I take a driving test?
Yeah, did you take the defensive driving course? Is that what it note says down there?
That was dated in April or August.
August, way back in August. Did you take a defensive driving course?
No, I didn't get the ticket.
You didn't, oh, they weren't you is what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay, so then that explains
That does explain.
probably why.
Yep.
Can we run
Yes, Your Honor, Gibson.
I'm gonna run a license on Gibson. There's a 2-for-2 offer there, but we wanted him to bring insurance in, Mr. Gibson.
Oh, great.
George Moore.
Hello?
Everybody's gonna eat off Mrs. Gray, Mrs. Gary, today.
Hello?
I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Shabazz, with the city attorney, Rogers. You can speak on Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with,
Really?
counsel.
Wow.
All right, I need you to be quiet, Mr. Moore. Officer Moore.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Just wanted to make sure everybody knew I was here. I'm gonna put myself on mute.
All right. All right, Ms. Bradfield, can you join that room and speak with Mrs. Lewis? Her defense is, it wasn't me.
Okay, I sure will.
Okay.
Wasn't me.
Wasn't me.
That's my defense too.
Me too.
Your Honor, I would need a copy of Ms. Lewis' tickets, please.
All right, I believe they took that.
Okay.
Are we dismissing all of them for them?
Yes.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Ronald Gibson, case number SP 116585, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 11652001. Appearance for the record, please. I think Ms. Bradfield is in the room. However, I don't believe you're going to have any objection, or Ms. Bradfield is going to have any objection to this, sir. The city attorney's office has rewarded you for going to get the insurance on your vehicle. And they're willing to dismiss the case. Where's Ms. Bradfield? She's not there. All right, sir. So your matters are going to be dismissed. All right.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, have a great day, sir.
Okay.
I'm gonna come put you out,
Okay.
but I bet you've been put out of better places though, right? So let me ask you this. Are you a registered voter, sir?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
All right, I hope you get in the game, sir, if you're not already. All right? Have a good one.
You do the same. You got it.
Okay, I have an offer for you, Mr. Counts. I can wait on your defense counsel to come back in, and you can have time to go over with her to inform the court and help you make an informed decision on what you want to do. But anyway, the offer is to plead to the improper plates. I'll fine you $240 for that. I'll even dismiss that ticket upon payment of the $240. And to plead responsible for the failure to stop, that's $175. So you're talking about $240 plus $175. And if I look at it real quick, I think that's like $315. And we can close things out. The other two, or the other three cases will be dismissed. I can allow you time to speak with Ms. Bradfield, make an informed decision, or you can take the deal. What would you like to do?
May I speak to her first, please?
Certainly, certainly. Let us give her a break. It shouldn't take much more time now, and we will let you speak for her. You have to understand you have an absolute right to a trial, so that's always an option. All right? And she'll let you know that as well. Corporal Bennett, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I don't know if Mr. Gary is gonna show up, but we got the whole DTD in here now.
Oh, sorry.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll stand by.
She's making sure everybody eats.
I understand, Your Honor.
All right. Let me ask you this, Ms. Rogers. Are you gonna go back online and talk with
Yes, Shannon might come in my place because I have trials downstairs, but someone will be back. He had to check to make sure he can identify her, but
Who said that?
the officer
Oh,
on Lewis.
all right,
But there is an offer on it if
all right,
we're gonna go that route.
all right, very well. All right, fine, okay. Now, let's start with Mr. Lambert Counts, Ms. Bradfield. I think you put your appearance on the record already. We'll go back on the record with Mr. Dion Lambert Counts. He has 5 open cases. The offer is to plead to the amended count of improper plates. I told him I'd fine him $240 for that. I would dismiss that upon the payment of the $240. That's a misdemeanor doesn't have any points and doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State. And it'll be dismissed once you satisfy that payment. And then for the failure to stop ticket, there's a $175 blocking traffic that they're asking him to plead responsible to. And then with stipulation of probable cause, of course, we'll dismiss the other 3 counts. I indicated to him that he has an absolute right to a trial, and I indicated to him that he would has an opportunity to chooses to speak with you in a breakout room to help him make an informed decision. And he indicated to me that he wants to speak with you. Okay.
Okay, no problem. I'll go back into the breakout room.
All right. Is that understood, Mr. Lambert Counts?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I only see 2 on the docket. What are the other 3 charges?
The other 3 charges are, so he's got unregistered, untitled, drove while license not valid, failure to stop, unregistered, untitled, and driver's license expired.
Okay, thank you.
2 of them were had on 5/11/2021, and the other was had on 6/23/2021.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Join the room, sir.
Oh, did you watch Court TV last night?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Just want to double check and make sure I'm in the right room for Randy Gardner.
Gardner, yes. We're gonna give him till 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, we'll call
Gotcha. Thank you, sir.
Oh, that's Dr. Seuss.
Your Honor, Mr. Lambert Counts, is going to get his proof of registration, and he indicated he has a valid license.
Can you run Mr. Lambert Thompson's driver's license? I don't know if that's gonna change, but the boss is here, so.
Good morning, Ms. Bradfield. It's Shannon Walker.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good.
I know you're gonna do what you have to do, Ms. Bradfield. That's for sure. All right, we'll run his driver's license. There was an offer available to Mr. Lambert Counts. He was charged with unregistered, untitled, roll license not valid, and failure to stop on 6/23/2021. Then he has another ticket on 5/11/2021. It's like when it rains, it pours. Driving unregistered, untitled, and driver's license expired. The offer that was available to him was to please give me a count of improper plates and a blocking traffic.
Is that this gentleman here?
Yes. His license is valid. And defense counsel indicates that he is going to present to the court some valid registration. Is that the case, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, he went to the car to get it, so.
You want to quote? Sir?
All right, I'm in the vehicle now and I have the proof of registration in front of me.
All right, well, you're going to have to turn your video on, sir.
Okay, no problem.
All right, well, let's see what you have. I see the 2020 Dodge for a 5782 or 92, whatever the last four on that. And it expires in next week. So it is
Right.
valid, and the probably is valid for a year, I would assume, so. It expires February 22nd, 2022. All right.
I believe it said July. Hold it back up. Let me see the bottom corner. Hold it up a little bit more. The other way. Okay, we keep moving it. It was July 2021. I can't remember. I can't see the actual date in July. July 12th.
I see it July 1st.
Okay. I'm sorry, July 1st, yes.
2021. All right, thank you, sir.
That's for Mr. Lambert Counts.
That's for Mr. Lambert Counts.
You show insurance or just registration?
He just showed registration. Does he have a, do you want to see insurance?
No, no.
Okay.
Oh, let me look.
You don't have to stop it.
No.
Miss Meeks, please look at the chat.
Yeah, they took him down to one kind of blockading.
Right. Well, I don't know if it's, you're gonna even do much better than that. You have a new offer here for your client, Ms. Bradfield, and that is blocking traffic, $175. I don't know if you can do any better than that, Ms. Bradfield, then
Thank you so much, Ms. Walker.
You're welcome, Ms. Bradfield.
your client want to take that deal?
Mr. Lambert? Count?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Lambert count? Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
I thought so. I thought so. Let's just do it the easy way. Will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket for an factual basis for the responsible plea?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible for the omitted count of blocking traffic. I'm gonna fine them $175 for it. Will your client stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
We so stipulate, Your Honor.
Okay, sir, $175. When can you pay? That should be paid today.
I can pay it today.
Pay it today. Get this closed out. All right.
All right. I have one more question. So I don't have to come tomorrow for pre-trial. Is that the other one?
File for him for tomorrow, sitting right here on top.
Well, it may not be because I probably called them all. Let's see. I didn't see that when I looked it up. Let's see.
So just the name just hit me as I was sitting here.
Called 2 cases, Your Honor.
I thought I called 4. Let's see what we have. I called
that file.
City of Detroit versus Dion Ramon Lambert counts, case numbers SP 1198598, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1217096, counts 1, 2, and 3. That's SP 1217096, counts 1, 2, and 3. And I'm handed another file here. Let's see if we can find out what this is all about.
Need me to look some up, Judge?
Well, you've already ran
For which
the
one?
statement for Lambert counts. That's the only thing I see.
He's got a formal on 3-4, is that the one? In front of Prepare Magistrate Prepare.
Is that's on, that's the stopping block, that's the stopping traffic. Failure to stop.
Fail to stop.
Yeah, well, that's gonna be taken care of today. You know, that's something that they need to do something about too. Is there-
I have a question. I'm sorry.
Hold on a second, sir.
Yeah, it should all be together.
And
Yeah,
then
it
he's got
should
the
all be
next
together.
one.
It says, well, we can see that sitting on top.
But this here is 486902. 486902, that's the one ticket number.
Yeah, he does have 2 tomorrow. I guess they
How is that?
ran out of a date, like they only have a certain amount of people or people that they have on a certain day, and then it defaults to the next day. They don't check.
You probably got those after they processed the first 2.
So why don't I see those tickets up?
I mean, you want me to read the numbers off?
I have.
It is 70961 and count 2.
Yeah, I got those.
Yeah, so these are on 2 different days.
No, what about these?
What
Right
about
here.
these? Let me see.
Sometimes hyphenated last names.
Yeah, you're right.
Yep.
That's absolutely correct
What happens
statement.
sometimes.
Okay, that's closed. And let me see about this one.
Is there anything else, any other files you want me to look at while I'm here?
No, I think we need to just get Ms. Meeks. It's a situation resolved.
Both of these are closed, Your Honor.
Okay, so we're all set with that.
Does he owe any money or anything? Is that
No.
what he set for court
That's
tomorrow?
all he's got is
Okay.
those 2. He owes $175. I'm gonna put a pay by date of, I'm gonna put a pay by date. You said you're gonna pay it today. I want you to pay that at any DivDav kiosk in the city of Detroit, or I want you to pay that online. I'm gonna put February 25th for you to return for a review at 8:25 a.m. And if you had that paid by that time, then we'll close the matters out. If you don't have it paid, I need to see you back on that day. All right?
Yes, sir. Does it show that
Yes.
because for the one that I was supposed to pay, I actually paid last week. That's all I was gonna ask you about, if it showed that. I'm not sure if that was the same one. I paid it last week though.
it. Okay, I just didn't know if you were aware. Okay, yeah.
Okay, you say what now, sir? I'm sorry.
I said I paid the ticket last week. I'm not sure if that's the one that you're showing, but it was in the same case. So I'm pretty sure it has to be the one. It's the only one that wasn't for the registration and for the improper license. There was a third ticket and I paid it last week.
No, you paid a bond on it. So what
Understood.
you got $105 sitting here, you need to bring another $70 down to the court and tell them to apply that bond and then pay the rest of that blocking traffic. That ticket's gonna be amended from a failure to stop or failure to signal to a blocking traffic, okay?
Understood.
Are you gonna come down here today, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm 5 minutes
All right.
away.
Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, now let's, what about Miss Lewis / Meeks? I got an offer for Miss, is this?
Your Honor, may I speak to Attorney Walker, please?
Attorney Walker left. We need
Okay.
Rogers back in here or
She told me that.
I'll ask Attorney, can you text her or something?
Yeah, I'll text her. Okay.
I'll just tell her to zoom in.
Ms. Rogers said Ms. Walker was going to be handling it because she had to go to 331.
All right, I just text her to zoom in. So let's deal with Mr. Sly Lewis. Let's call that case while we're waiting on Ms. Walker.
Let me see. I think he might be in the courtroom already. He can't accept messages that I left email.
He's right here.
Oh, good. Okay, great.
This is the city of Detroit in the state of Michigan versus Sly Lewis. Case number SX 3757620, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 11348712. SP 11349381. SP 11348713. SP 11349382. SP 11348711. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Lewis. State your name for the record.
He's in person.
No, I'm sorry, you say he's in the courtroom?
Yes, he's in person.
Oh, okay.
All right, state your name for the record again. C.O. Lewis. C.O. Lewis, I'm sorry. All right, case manager Curtis Jordan.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, Jordan Curtis, Mental Health Court Case Manager.
All right, as a way of update, Ms. Bradfield, your client was here yesterday. Your client has a number of matters, and your client indicated to the court that he was homeless, looking for shelter. And we got Mr. Curtis down here, and he was able, hopefully, to speak with the client. It was a conversation that was had between myself, case manager Curtis, and Mr. Lewis's defense counsel yesterday, Mr. Harry Hoffman, about, first of all, trying to get Mr. Lewis cases. We want to get him a driver's license, and we also wanted to give him some housing, and it was also a conversation about some mental health. And we left the conversation yesterday with Mr. Lewis going to talk and speak with Mr. Curtis, and Mr. Curtis was going to give his opinion to the court on how he felt about Mr. Lewis's mental health and whether we should order Mr. Lewis into the mental health treatment program. At the end of the conversation, of course, and today I briefly spoke with your client and asking him about whether he wanted to voluntarily go in that program, and he indicated to the court that he does not, as he indicated yesterday. So I want to give Mr. Curtis an opportunity to speak and to give us some insight on what he gleaned from his conversation with Mr. Lewis yesterday. I'll give Mr. Lewis an opportunity to speak, and then somehow we, if necessary, which would probably be necessary, we would need to get you and Mr. Lewis into a private breakout room. So, Mr. Curtis, if that's if you can go ahead, and I'll allow you an opportunity to tell us what you gleaned from yesterday's conversation.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did get an opportunity to speak to Mr. Lewis on yesterday. He did, in fact, go to Lake Ridge, and he did have a conversation with the counselor and the pastor there. Lake Ridge reported to me that he did not want to stay there, and that was the last updated information that I have. But I would like to see what Mr. Lewis has to say, and then we can go into a breakout room.
All right, Ms. Bradfield, do you want? I mean, what we're talking about really is not the tickets per se, because I've already waived Mr. Lewis's reinstatement fees, so he can potentially get a driver's license. He understands that, and I believe, hopefully, he makes that appointment early next week to the Secretary of State. In Mr. Lewis's favor, he has already gone and gotten himself a Michigan ID. He showed proof to the court, albeit is not they haven't sent him the actual plastic card yet, but I was satisfied that the paperwork documentation that he sent from the Secretary of State that ID is forthcoming. So I was inclined to give Mr. Lewis a trial date. He has a host of matters, and I was inclined to give him a trial date in 3 months, and I think we set that date for, or did we set that date at all, Ms. Nash? Maybe
I don't
we did.
think we did.
Maybe we didn't.
19.
Is it?
05/19/22.
Well, he's
We
got
did.
it.
We had a pre-trial. I'm sorry.
We did, I'm sorry, Mrs. Williams, we did indicate that we would give him a trial date, and he's got stuff written down, I'll tell you that. Or in his memory bank somewhere up there, he's May 19th, 2022 at 9 a.m. So I think that the mental health court would help him clear up his matters outside of trial, but he's adamant about not wanting to go. So,
Your
on
Honor,
that- yes,
Your Honor, if he does not want to participate in mental health court, there is another avenue that will be beneficial to him, and that will be the street outreach court that will help him find housing, as well as if he doesn't have employment, it will also help him get employment to help him get back on his feet. So that program is also available with the court.
and I think that we did discuss that program as well. If I'm, correct me if I'm wrong, Case Manager Curtis, that program is not an immediate turnaround for housing, whereas the mental health court is or would be an immediate turnaround. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give Mr. Lewis an opportunity to make that decision himself today. I'm sure that the people over there at the mental health facility would much rather have somebody that is willing to go as opposed to somebody being forced to go. I do think that Mr. Lewis is looking at things in my opinion, a little bit wrong. But I'm satisfied to see that, you know, based on our appearance before yesterday, he was here and I was giving him some specific things to do. And I'm satisfied that he is making progress in making those attempts to do those things. So if you want to just set this for a trial date on May the 19th, I would offer that to be that as an option. If you want to speak with him in a breakout room, we'll see how we can facilitate that. Or you can talk to him now. Or you can talk to Case Manager Curtis, or you can do what you need to do, Ms. Bradfield.
Does he have a phone on him where he could log on to Zoom in the hallway?
No, not at this moment.
No, he does not.
Because I would like to speak with him in private.
I know that.
I don't know how we're gonna do this.
I have a phone out there I can use, but I don't have my personal phone.
Whose phone do you have?
I have a lady friend out there.
All right, well,
I
go
can
out.
give you that Zoom, that call-in number.
Well, you can, you want to give him the call-in number, or are you gonna zoom in? Can you zoom in from that phone, or are you gonna call in? It doesn't matter how he does it.
But he can call in maybe right there.
No, let him zoom in from the phone.
Okay.
From out there. Let him
I'll
zoom
give him
in
the
or call
ID
in
number.
from the phone.
We'll give it the ID number.
All right, we'll do that. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead out in the hallway.
Appreciate it.
Officer Carter will be out there to give you the information, and then we'll get you in the breakout room with the defense lawyer, all right?
Okay.
You know the number, right? You already know by heart, didn't you?
All right, now, let's go ahead and let's get some of these officers on their way. Miss Bradfield, these are gonna be all but Tierra Lewis. Let's call the case of City of Detroit versus Randy Tyrone Gardner, case number U59851321 and U60038221. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gardner. State your name for the record.
He's not in here, so
Oh.
he didn't appear.
Oh, he didn't appear, okay.
Officer Beauregard, you can put your appearance on the record, please. Officers on Bradfield, on Gardner, can you put your appearance on the record? I don't know if they're not hearing me or not, or they just want to stay in court and just.
This for Gardner, sir?
I got Randy Gardner. Who's on Randy Gardner?
That's Officer Everson here, sir.
Okay, can you put your appearance on the record?
Yes, Officer Everson, badge number 13, Detroit Transit Police.
Okay, good morning to you. And then Officer Beauregard. I saw him on the screen here. All right. He must be having some trouble with his device.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I can hear you. Put your appearance on the record, officer. Officer Beauregard. I don't know what's going on. He's here. I'm gonna mark the file that he appeared. I know you don't have an explanation about your client, do you, Ms. Bradfield?
No, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna show cause him. And we'll try to see if we can locate him. If there's nothing further, have a great day, officers. Y'all be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's call the cases. This is case number, this is Carmita Lanice Gary. Case number SP 111-0426-1, SP 105-6476, counts 1 and 2, SP 105-6620, counts 1 and 2, SP 1179757, counts 1 and 2, SP 1187572, counts 1 and 2, SP 4859792, SP 741685, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 8, strike that, SP 780420, counts 1 and counts 2, 17-324-4971, 17-349-7141, 17-368-7631, SP 485-9791, 12-443-7201, 12-645-8311, 15-55-74981, SP 105-64763, SP 105-66203, SP 111-0281, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 111-03261, SP 117975773, 12-50-99591, 17-375-7751, 13-480-477, counts 1, 2, and 3, 19-51-63071. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradshaw on behalf of Miss Gary.
Oh. I thought it was okay.
All right, it is.
Okay.
All right, and officers, you can start. Start with Officer Jason Lord. Are you here? He was here.
Yes, Your Honor, Officer Lord here.
All right, put your name, badge number, and department on the record, please.
Officer Jason Lord, badge 4540, Detroit Police, 2nd Precinct.
All right, we'll go with Officer Sergeant Huber.
Sergeant Jessica Huber, badge S1002, Detroit Police Department, Tactical Services Section.
All right, and let's go with Corporal Bennett.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Let's go, and I'm just going in order of how those things were listed, so I'm not taking any. All right, let's go with Officer Moore.
Yes, Corporal George Moore, badge 2584, 2nd Precinct.
Detroit Police.
Yes, Detroit Police.
All right, very well. And I believe last but not least, Officer Nelson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Brian Nelson, badge 3664, Detroit Police Department.
And did I miss any officers? All right. I don't believe you have any explanation for why your client's not here, do you, Mrs. Bradfield?
No, Your Honor.
Very well. I'm going to issue a show cause. We'll see if we can find them. And maybe everybody might get paid again. All right. If there's nothing further, all you officers be very safe out there and have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Take care.
First name of that person, Your Honor.
Carmita, she's on that docket. She's just got the whole page almost on the second page. CARMEADA.
Thank you.
Lanice, LANEICE.
Thank you.
And then GARY. All right, I'm gonna put, I still haven't had, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, sir, with the defense counsel. And we'll see if we can get some, and let you have a conversation with Ms. Bradfield. Ms. Bradfield is a super lawyer. I mean, you got an excellent, excellent lawyer. I suggest you listen to her, and she can help you make an informed decision. So talk to him, Ms. Bradfield, and we're gonna wait on Ms. Neats. We're still waiting on the city attorney to get Ms. Meeks' case on the road, but they did give an offer though.
Yeah, we're not interested in the offer, Your Honor.
Okay, there we go.
Thank you, though.
Didn't know how to do that quick, though.
She said, "You ain't in."
He's in the room waiting on you, Miss Bradfield.
Yeah, I heard from my.
I'm telling you. It's something else, man.
Right, I was like, whoa, I was like, marking her brownie points for sure.
Come out of here.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling them. That was so funny that he came in and said that thing about the pizza. I'm still.
They gone?
What?
Mrs. Gary.
Oh, she late.
Yeah.
And I knew that was gonna happen. And it's always the people that got the most tickets.
Mm-hmm. Miss Gary. She doesn't have her audio on.
Did we tell her 10 o'clock?
I don't know. No, it says 9 here.
Officer Shabazz, he's still on.
He's not on the ticket.
What was he here for? Let me look. Oh, he's here for Lewis, Tierra Lewis, or Tierra.
Yes.
Okay. I think she overslept. That's what I'm thinking.
Now you got to put in all those dates again.
You gonna have to give another day anyway, right?
Yeah.
A show call, or you wanna give another pre-trial?
We'll put it back.
Another trial date,
We'll give her another trial date. She's looking at it.
I know she is. I hope she remember next time.
Connect your audio. Look at her.
Yeah. How she do it the last time? Somebody was there to help?
Oh, no. Okay. I'm gonna, Mr. Curtis, I'm going to, I'm gonna keep Ms. Bradfield is speaking with, Mr. Lewis in the breakout room. And, I'll let you speak with her if necessary.
Okay, that'd be great. And can you let me know when you all are ready? Can the clerk send me an email again?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, you decide?
Oh, he does. Sending her those messages. Okay, Ms. Bradfield, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak with Mr. Lewis. Can you get Mr. Curtis back on the line? You need to speak with Mr. Curtis. You should have stayed online. Oh, I'm sorry. Zoom back in.
Oh, I'm sorry. I told him to log off. I apologize.
All right, be fine. All right. No, let him zoom back in.
It's much better for me.
Oh,
Because the
want
audio
me
is better if he's on Zoom.
If he zooms back in, she can hear better.
So special report, Curtis, you want me to have him zoom in here?
Yes, please. Somebody's laying on the bed. She didn't woke somebody up.
I need to send him an email again.
That's what he says. So.
Yes, send him an email.
It's probably severe to not be right.
Oh, you know, whatever they want.
3 weeks. Let's get it 3 weeks.
Our doctor always messed up.
That way, because she needs to get her stuff.
Yeah.
Day is 17. We'll get
That's
her
your-
back in here.
That's a nice little calendar. Is that the 10th?
Yeah.
March the 10th?
March the 10th. Let's see.
I can hear, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this Miss Gary? See, hold on.
That's Mr. Lewis.
Mr. Lewis, you're all right. I can hear you. I'm trying to get Miss Gary to check, connect her audio.
Hello?
Hello.
Sorry about that. I couldn't find out how to connect this computer.
I understand, but you're late.
I know I couldn't find, I know my
Listen.
phone, I had the app on my phone and it crashed. Then
All
I
right, listen, Miss Gary. We called your cases, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna give you another date. All the officers left. Come back on March the 10th, we'll try it again, 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
March
And
the
Miss
10th.
and Miss Gary, make sure you're on time that day.
Okay, March the 10th at what time?
9 a.m.
Okay, I'll be there.
All right, have a great day, ma'am.
You too, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ms. Bradfield, what about, well, we're trying to get Mr. Curtis on the line. You need to speak with Mr. Curtis regarding Mr. Lewis, Ms. Bradfield?
I don't believe so. Mr. Lewis adamant about sending these matters for trial instead of participating in either program.
Okay.
Is
All
that
right,
correct, Mr.
let's
Lewis?
go back on the record with Mr. C.O. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Bradfield in a breakout room. And Ms. Bradfield, is your understanding that your client wants to just keep the trial date?
That is correct, Your Honor. That is correct, Mr. Lewis, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, is he going to, what I wanted to ask Mr. Curtis about the street outreach report where they can see if they can find him any housing. We've summoned Mr. Curtis back into the room. He hasn't appeared yet. Do you want to wait on that, sir? Or are you just gonna, that's up to you. We can wait till Mr. Curtis gets here.
To be honest, I'm just looking for housing, sir. That's it. Like, if I can get it, that's all I want is a house. Like,
I'm trying to wait on Mr. Mr. Curtis to see if he can find Mr. Lewis some housing.
like finding helping me find some apartments or something like that. I can rent or something like that, you know, versus me staying in a shelter. Like, I could get a down payment for an apartment. Like, I just need help with like finding apartments. That's it.
Well, I mean, you know something, sir, the court is trying to offer you some help, but you want the kind of help that you want. And if they can provide that for you, then that'll fine, that's fine with me, but if they can't provide it for you, then they can't provide it for you. So Mr. Curtis, we're back on the record with Mr. Lewis, and he indicates that he wants to set this matter for a trial date. We gave him a trial date of May 19th.
Let's make sure we get that on this one.
May 19th for a trial date for Mr. Lewis. And then,
It was up here yesterday. That's not it. I don't see.
Oh, when you look and see.
It was up here yesterday.
Oh, here.
all right, May 19th, trial date. He indicates that he doesn't want to participate in the, he wants to participate in the, he wants to participate in the street outreach court to see if he can get some housing, but he doesn't want to do the, other court. So if, that'll really conclude it unless you want me to put you in a breakout room so you can talk to him about the street outreach court. But that'll conclude the matter. We'll set just a trial date, May 19th, 2022 at 9 a.m., sir.
Sir, so you change your mind, you do want to do the street outreach court?
No,
let me
I'm
say this,
I'm
let
not.
me say this, hold on. Let me say this, we're talking about two different things. Street outreach court is just for the housing. And you can correct me if I'm wrong, Mr. Curtis. Mental health court would accomplish two things. It would get him immediate housing and it would get him the mental health treatment. He doesn't want to do the mental health treatment. He just wants the street outreach court to seek the housing. Am I saying that correct, Case Manager Curtis?
Your Honor, for the mental health court, yes. As far as the street outreach program, I'm unfamiliar with their process.
Okay. Who do we talk to about the street outreach program?
Your Honor, there's 3 judges that preside over the street outreach court. That's Judge Robinson Garrett, Judge Blount, and Judge Williams. But I wanted to say that Mr. Lewis is not interested in the street outreach court. He just interested in housing. Is that an accurate statement, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Well, I thought street out, let me get this understanding correct. I thought street outreach court would help him get housing.
That is correct, Your Honor, but if the street outreach court is a program that not only help you with housing, it help you with employment or any other services that you need. They will have to be placed on one of those judges' dockets. They will have to go to one of the providers. One is Capuchin Soup Kitchen to get started on an action plan. Not only do they help them with the services that they need, but the fines and costs are waived. The cases are dismissed, and the license clearance fees that Secretary of State imposes, $45, will be reduced down to $30 each. So that is some of the things that the street outreach court does for people.
All right, so I've already waived his reinstatement fee.
Your Honor, can I say something?
Go ahead.
I just wanted to tell you, I can take the class on the 26th. I have the $60 to take the Michigan driver's defense class. That's what you asked me to do. You asked me to write an essay on Michigan driver's defense class. I can pay the $60 and take the class. I just didn't have it at the moment.
We're not talking about that. I'm not even thinking about the class now, sir. If you're gonna set a trial date, then the class is not necessary. You wanted housing.
I can get housing. I can get housing. I mean, it's just not. It's not gonna be as fat. It's gonna be the same process as you guys. I can get housing.
Then that's it. Then we're done then. Unless you have something else to say, Ms. Bradfield, on this behalf, just come back on May 19th, 2022 at 9 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Curtis, and thank you, Ms. Bradfield. That'll conclude this.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you.
Have a great day, sir. All right, I mean, I don't know what's taking so long.
Ms. Meeks, we're still waiting on the city prosecutor. That's the holdup.
Okay,
Thanks for your patience.
Yeah, trials.
you're welcome.
What I'll do right now, let's put it on the record. I'll lock it in. Well, maybe the city attorney might want. This is the city of Detroit versus Kiera Sherrill Lewis, case number SP 11646141 and SP 11645996, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Ms. Lewis Meeks. State your name for the record, ma'am.
Sierra Meeks.
All right, and can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Shabazz?
Yes, Your Honor. Officer George Shabazz, badge number 1194, Detroit Police.
All right, good morning to you, Officer Shabazz.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Got that out the way. All right, the offer, just to get this out the way, is plead responsible to the civil infraction of no insurance and dismiss the other 2 counts. No, strike that. Plead responsible to the amended count of 1 to 5. And then dismiss the other 2 counts if she wanted to take that deal, which I already understand you don't, ma'am, but I'm just giving you the offer. $125, and I think that'll be 2 points on her driver's license, or is that 1 point? So just to let you know that. All right. I'll text Ms. Walker again to get her in the court.
Okay, Your Honor.
Had they not showed up earlier, I would have dismissed the case, but they did show up earlier, and I'm gonna give them an opportunity to come back in.
Your Honor, I just emailed you the street outreach court fact sheet.
Okay, great.
That is something I think that the client will have to fill out once they get placed on one of the other judges' docket, but I'm gonna try to find the website.
SEAN period Perkins at 36districtcourt.org.
Yes. Didn't come through yet?
Not yet.
I'll try it.
Indicates that she's on the way.
Okay, thank you.
to send you my email address in the chat. Okay, we have,
Figure it out a little bit more, what the resolution.
Can you put your appearance on the record, Ms. Walker, please?
Shannon Walker, P 53794 on behalf of the people.
Right, I've availed, Ms. Lewis or / Meeks, the offer of, the amended count of 1 to 5, $125 fine, and dismiss the other 2 counts. She's not willing to take that offer, and they want a trial.
Okay, Judge, can I be put in a breakout room with the officer?
Yes.
Before you do that, may I have a breakout room with you first?
Sure, if the judge is okay with it.
Yes. Join the room, please.
Okay, Judge, can I go to breakout room with Officer Shabazz, please?
Certainly. Officer Shabazz, rejoin that room, please.
Okay, young.
And I need another prompt as well, Judge. It's not letting me rejoin. Okay, Judge.
We're back on the record with Miss Tierra Lewis / Meeks. I've given everybody an opportunity to speak regarding the matter. What do you want to do?
Judge, I've had the opportunity to speak to Officer Shabazz, and given the age of the ticket and the defendant's assertion that it was a younger sister that used her ID and that they look similar, he doesn't have sufficient recollection as to remembering the appearance of Miss Lewis Meeks. So the people would move for dismissal without prejudice.
Okay. All right. I know you don't have a objection to that, do you, Counselor?
No, Your Honor.
All right, we're going to dismiss the case. We'll say no recollection. If there's nothing further, ma'am, you have a very good day.
Your Honor, I'm not quite sure if this resulted in any license clearance fees for Secretary of State, but if so, we'd like to ask that they be waived at this time.
All right, we'll waive any fees. I don't think it has.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, if there's nothing further, we'll waive any fees. All right, thank you very much, everyone, and you're free to leave.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Ms.
Thank
Walker.
you.
Okay,